Hi there. Thank you for coming to our virtual open house. My name is Mrs. Kolano, and I am going to be your child, or you if you are the student, your teacher this year for your developmental language arts class. I'm really glad that you came and you're here to learn some more about our class that we're going to have this year. It's going to be a challenging year, but I'm here to help you, and we're going to get through together. So I look forward to meeting all of you. A little bit about this class. I wanted to, in this video, I'm going to introduce you to Mrs. Garcia, who is going to be with us every day. This is second period. And we are a brick and mortar face-to-face class, so we'll be seeing you every day. In the event that we do go back remotely, we're going to have a smooth transition because what we'll be doing in the classroom, I'll model and show you so that when you go, if we go back to remote learning, you will be able to work independently at home. So just an introduction to this class. This class is a developmental class, again, to help you with your language skills, which include reading, writing, listening, and most importantly, speaking. And we're here to create a safe environment for you to learn our English language. We have many different languages of students that are at John Long, and we are here to embrace you. And we have lots of tools and things that we can utilize here to help you learn the language and help you be more successful at John Long academically and socially too, because we all do like to communicate and talk to each other. One thing I do want to let you know is in this class, I welcome and embrace mistakes. So if you're afraid that you're going to say something wrong, I don't want you to ever feel afraid. When you're learning a new language, and the English language can be complex. There are sometimes things that won't make sense to you, or you'll say things, and that's okay. I'm here to help you and show you examples and take you wherever you're at right now in your knowledge of the English language and help you learn as much as you can, okay? In class, we will be using some technology to help you. There's a program called Imagine Learning, and some of you may be familiar with it. We've used it last year, I know it was used. And we also have our Canvas course, which we will be following along. But I just want you to know that when you are in my class, we embrace you, and we don't want you to ever feel afraid if you make a mistake. Because when you're learning to speak, and it's very common to maybe say the wrong word when you didn't mean that, and that's okay. So I wanted to take a minute for you to meet Mrs. Garcia, who is also going to be in our class every day. And she's going to give you an introduction and tell you a little bit about herself and the class in Spanish, please.
Hola, buenas tardes. Quería introducirnos para darles la bienvenida a la escuela y a nuestros estudiantes y a nuestras familias Touch John Long Middle School. Como yo voy a ser la asistenta de Mrs. Kolano, de la maestra de sus hijos o hijas incluso, y quería decirles que quiero que sepan que es un curso de inglés para desarrollo y para enfocarse exactamente en la lectura, en la escritura, en escuchar, en el hablar. Entonces, Mrs. Kolano, que va a ser su maestra, vamos a asegurarnos de que es una clase que pueden nuestros estudiantes cometer fallos, como todos, y poder aprender, ¿okay? Y también ella quiere que hagamos un esfuerzo, que podamos crecer tanto en el idioma como vamos a pasar mucho tiempo juntos, apoyándonos, aprendiendo. Y yo voy a ser la ayudanta de Mrs. Kolano, otra vez soy la señorita Garcia, y hay un programa que se llama Imagine Learning y es muy importante que nos vamos a enfocar muchísimo, que ellos tienen que hacer todos los días, y por si acaso también nos vamos a dar clases virtuales, van a tener que hacerlo el programa. Okay. So, es muy importante que ellos se enfoquen en el currículum que vamos a enseñar y también en en este programa de Imagine Learning. Y con esto les deseo un buen año y gracias a todos ustedes y otra vez encantada y gracias por tener a nuestros estudiantes con nosotros y quiero que sepan que este esfuerzo que vamos a hacer para que ellos puedan aprender y se encuentren seguros. Si tienen alguna pregunta con el idioma, no se preocupen, me pueden siempre encontrar, tengo mi correo electrónico, mi teléfono, en la página web de Dr. John Long Middle School. Entonces, cualquier pregunta, ustedes nos pueden mandar un correo o llamarnos por teléfono, ¿ok? Pues nada, muchísimas gracias y espero un buen año. Gracias.
Thank you, Mrs. Garcia. So one last thing before you leave, if you ever need to contact me, yeah, I'm always available here for you before school or after school. I encourage you to send me an email or call the school. My email address is dkolano, DKOLANO @pasco.k12.fl.us. And please reach out to me if ever you have any questions. I'm here to help you, okay? Have a great day. Thanks for joining us.